This video is made for only Huawei user. Here, many of us know that in Huawei Google Play service did not work. So in this video, I am going to solve this solution. I also use Huawei Nova 7i, which is not working in Google service. So in this video, you will very happy to see the solution on Huawei app which is not working. So let's begin the video. Go to app gallery and download the app which I am using for Hawaii. Search Gspace, 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 sorry, Gspace, Gspace many. I installed this the app, but I only want to see it how it is work. So let's open it, and I download this application, but didn't download the which is showing the fire mark on it. So let's download this one. I download the application and you see they show us Google Play Store which is used in Android phone. In Gspace there is many app which is not working in Hawaii Nova 7i, and also is a Hawaii use I new phones. So this is a little bit solution, and through Gspace we use this application more perfectly like Android user. Hope you will enjoy the video and like the video for this. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.